Hi everyone, it's Andrea from Lightly Sketched, and today I'm here with my daughters Chloe and Chanel.
Hi!
And we're going to be showing you how to create one of the coolest water bead sensory bottles that you've ever seen.
Ever!
These water bead sensory bottles are a healthy and effective way to help kids self-regulate their emotions. While kids are using them, encourage them to take deep breaths or slowly count backwards from 10 to 1 as they watch the water beads float around. Doing so can help calm an anxious mind and redirect any negative feelings that they might be experiencing at that moment.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's get started.
For today's sensory bottle, you'll need a glass or plastic bottle with a wide mouth, rainbow-colored water beads, a bowl or container to soak the water beads, baby oil, a measuring cup, measuring spoons, containers to separate the water beads by color, and if you'd like, you can also use a funnel, glue gun to remove the glue from the label on the water bottle, and you can also choose to use a glue gun to seal the lid. First of all, soak your water beads. We used 6 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of water beads. The instructions on the label recommended soaking them for 2 to 24 hours to allow them to hydrate fully. We let ours soak for 12 hours and the results were amazing. The colors were vibrant and the water beads grew to a nice size. Next, organize your water beads by color. I sorted approximately 30 water beads of each color. Begin by adding the purple water beads to the bottom of your bottle. Carefully add the blue water beads next, followed by green, yellow, orange, and red. Then repeat. You can fill approximately 3/4 of the bottle with water beads so the beads move around. Or if you don't want your rainbow colors to get mixed up, you can fill the entire bottle with water beads, then add your baby oil to the brim. Finally, put the lid on. Your beautiful rainbow water bead sensory bottle is now complete. If you're using these bottles in the classroom, I suggest that you add a little bit of hot glue to the inside of the cap, just to prevent little ones from opening it. Did you guys have fun today?
Yeah!
Please let me know in the comments how your water bead sensory bottles turned out.
Thanks for watching!
We'll see you again soon.
Bye!